there's been a lot of misinformation about how this bad guy is being formatted. By bad guy, I mean the DJI Mic 2. And there's information out there that you have to plug this into the system for you to format the memories. Of course, it's a known fact that this guy records internally just by pressing this button. If you want more information or a separate tutorial about how to record internally and copy your cards, drop that in the comments, so I'll do a separate video about that. For the time being, we're just going to look how after recording and haven't copied your card, how you can format this guy. So to format these guys, you have to make sure the two transmitters are on. They're on and connected to the receiver. So these two transmitters are on. They're on with the blink of the screen light. I know you already know that. So I come to the transmitter, and at the transmitter, I would simply just swipe down. Swiping down, I'm going to see the receiver. The first setting I get to see here, or the first setting I encounter, is going to be the receiver setting. I'm going to swipe more to the transmitter setting. While at the transmitter setting, I'm just going to dive deep, just click, and when I click, I'm going to see a lookout. No, I don't want a lookout. Transmitter again, that's not what I want. So I'm going to swipe until where I get to see eMMC storage. So at eMMC storage, I'm just going to click, and then this is going to take me to where I'm going to see transmitter 1, transmitter 2, and then I'm also going to see how much of recording still left. Incidentally, I just formatted this, so you're going to see 15 hours. So if you had information in the transmitters, if it's used some recording hours, you're just going to see that you're going to see it reduce, or probably you'll see 14 and all of that. So here we have transmitter is still 15 hours of storage left in one of those guys. So to format it, let's say you have information and you want to format, I'll simply just come here and click. When I click, you're just going to see this toggle button here that says swipe to format transmitter 1. So to format this, you're simply just going to swipe to the left, and this is going to roll. I think how much time this takes, about 6 to 7 seconds, and the formatting is done. And then it says formatting complete and confirm. So one of those mics, which incidentally, I don't know what DJI did. We cannot identify if this is mic 1 or mic 2. So they are all identical, and there's no information to that effect if any of them, which is mic 1, transmitter 1 or transmitter 2. So I'm done with transmitter 1. Let's believe it's this or this. So I'm going to go to transmitter 2, and transmitter 2, I'll do the same thing. I'll swipe, and then simply you're going to roll for about 5 seconds, I guess. And then it says formatting complete, and then I'm going to click confirm. So that's how to format this part, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, drop me a thumbs up, as it helps with the algorithm, and also subscribe so for future tutorials like this. Let me know in the comments below what tutorial you want to see me do next. Until then, catch you next time.